Cache Giraffe crashes on specific games when that game's ad or tracking module conflicts with the app's reward system, causing the session to close instead of loading the offer properly. By the end, you'll understand why Cache Giraffe crashes on certain games, and the exact steps to stop it from happening, so you can keep earning without interruptions. First thing to check is whether the crash happens on only one game or all games. If it's just one specific game, the issue is usually that game's ad integration, not Cache Giraffe itself. That means the app is failing when trying to load a corrupted or incompatible ad request from that game. Next, try restarting both the game and Cache Giraffe completely. Don't just switch screens. Close both apps from recent apps and reopen Cache Giraffe first. This resets the session handshake between the game and reward tracker. If the crash continues, clear Cache Giraffe cache. Old cached files can interfere with how the app communicates with certain games, especially after updates. Clearing cache forces the app to rebuild clean tracking data the next time you launch a game. Another common cause is low device memory. When RAM is nearly full, Cache Giraffe struggles to run alongside heavier games, which leads to sudden crashes when both systems compete for resources. Closing background apps before launching helps stabilize performance. Also check if your device has any ad blockers, DNS filters, or privacy tools enabled. These can block the tracking signals that games use to confirm rewards, and when that happens, Cache Giraffe may crash instead of continuing the session normally. If the issue is happening after an update, the game itself may not be fully compatible with the latest version of Cache Giraffe yet. In that case, reinstalling the app ensures you're running a clean, updated version, with all new compatibility patches applied. Another step is lowering background load before launching a game. Turn off battery saver mode, disable screen overlays, and avoid switching apps while the game session is active. Interruption during tracking is one of the most common crash triggers. If only one game keeps crashing, skip that game temporarily and try another offer. Some games are simply broken in specific regions or on certain devices, and waiting for a refresh or update is often the only fix. If none of that works, restarting your phone can clear system-level memory conflicts that cause repeated crashes across the same game session. Quick summary. Game-specific crashes usually come from AD conflicts, memory pressure, or tracking issues. Fix it by closing apps, clearing cache, and removing background restrictions. Most cases are tied to one problematic game, not the entire Cache Giraffe app. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.